Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my April unboxing for Boxycharm. I have the base box, the $25 box this month. I'm really excited. I think that they're redeeming themselves a little bit in my brain with this month's box. So if you guys want to see what I got and see me try it on, then just keep on watching. So I did peek because I wanted to try these on today in this video and I needed to know what was in here. So I think this is a really good box. I'm actually very excited for this one. So the theme of this month is Boxycharm Sweet Treats, which I think this card is so cute. You get the card with all the values on it as usual. So in the interest of saving time, I did try the first product already. This is the Touch in Soul Pretty Filter Icy Sherbet Primer. This is a $32 product. I have it on under the KVD Apple or Good Apple foundation today. So I put this on before I started this video just so that I could give you guys my actual thoughts on this primer instead of skipping over primer like I normally do. So I actually loved the texture of this. Normally I'm a hydrating primer type of person. This is definitely more of like a pore filling kind of oil control primer in my opinion. It definitely has like that silicone-y feeling, but it's unlike any primer I have tried before. I really enjoy the consistency and just the process of using this was really fun for me. I'm all about texture and this just has such like a light, airy, silicone-y, like whipped texture, and I really enjoyed applying it to my face. I did kind of put a lot on. I wanted to make sure I had a nice base for makeup today, and it definitely smoothed over my pores and it helped the makeup to stick. So far, I'm really liking it. It does have a little bit of like a scent, like a fragrance. I can't really explain it. I think it's rose. I want to say it's rosy, which I'm not a big fan of rose, but this one does not bother me. Touch in Soul is a great brand. I really like the jar of this. Like everything is vibing with me. So I really liked it. I'll see how it holds up, but for being a type of primer I don't normally use, I really enjoyed it. Now I'm so excited for this because Farmacy has kind of been creeping its way up to being one of my favorite skincare brands. I'm using a lot of their products in my routine actually, and this is a full-size Farmacy Honey Grail Ultra Hydrating Face Oil. It's a mouthful, but this is a $48 product, and I actually have been looking for an oil to use with the Gua Sha tool. So if you guys don't know what that is, it's like a flat tool that you rub against your face to try to help with lymphatic drainage and kind of slim and contour your face, which I need. So you are meant to use that with an oil, and I just never know like what kind of oils to use. The Farmacy Honey line is no joke. They keep releasing really amazing products. I just got their hyaluronic acid serum, which I have been using with the Gua Sha, but I think this might be better. This is an ultra hydrating facial oil. That's all. I don't have to worry about the ingredients or anything like that. I think you can use this daily. It says it's a fast absorbing, luxuriously lightweight oil that delivers intensive moisture. It does smell just like the honey line, which I said in my last video, it does take a little warming up to for me because I'm not used to smelling honey, but now that I have this in my collection, I really enjoy the scent. I use their Honeymoon Glow Serum 2 nights a week to chemically exfoliate, and I use their new jar moisturizer. It's super thick and just luxurious, so this is gonna work its way into my skincare routine no problem, and it'll be nice to have a dedicated oil that I feel like I can use the Gua Sha with every night. Now I think we're gonna go for a really simple eye look today because we have a eyeshadow stick in here, and that's it for eyeshadow. So this is the Mally Beauty Evercolor Shadow Stick Extra Velvet, and this is in the shade Timeless Taupe. So I mentioned in another video, I'm dealing with a little bit of dryness under my eye and some eye irritation. I don't know if it's allergies or if I use something that's reacting badly with me, but I kind of need to keep it lightweight on the eyes anyways because of that. So we are going to put this on today and just kind of probably blend it out with one brush maybe, or maybe even the finger. It looks like it's gonna be like a matte taupe color. I'm gonna put it on my hand first. Ooh, we're gonna have a little bit of a smoky look today. It's kind of like a smoky taupe, which I like. So this retails for $25. It says you can use it as a primer, eyeshadow, eyeliner, and brush all in one. That's an interesting claim. I love the idea of using this as a smudged out eyeliner, but I definitely don't think I have the talent for that today. So I'm gonna apply it like a eyeshadow base blended into an eyeshadow. So smoky eye one color, one product. Let's do it. Oh my god, my eye is so irritated. I should not be doing this at all. I honestly don't know what the issue is. I think I'm just having like some type of psycho reaction, but I can't just not wear makeup forever. You definitely can't use this thing as a brush. I don't really know what was meant by that. So I am taking a brush. This is not a blending brush, but I'm going to try to buff out the edges with this not blending brush, because you guys, brushes can be used for whatever you want. It really does not matter. The technique matters more than the actual tool. Hopefully this doesn't allow my eye to get greasy, because it has been a little oily today. And this is a cream product, so I guess it could happen by the end of this video, but we'll see. I mean, it does seem super blendable and fairly easy to just throw on. I don't know if I'm doing a great job. So we will see if that creases, but so far very pretty. It's very basic, but very nice for on the go. So next we have 2 pairs of false lashes and a lash applicator. I know that some people feel iffy about lashes, but I am an avid lash wearer, so I love getting them. I love trying new lashes. This is the Flirtatious Looks Cosmetic Monarch Lash Pack. It retails for $38. I definitely like the looks of the bottom ones more than the top ones, and I like that there's an applicator in there. That's probably one of my only lash applicators that I have now. So I need to apply mascara, trim the lashes, apply glue, and I'll be back to apply them. Okay, so we're glued up. I'm hoping these go on with no issue. I've never really used an applicator like this, so I don't know if it's gonna help me or hurt me to use this, but let's try it. Oh, I don't know if I like this applicator. Oh. This applicator does not help me. I can't use this. I definitely use tweezers. And I place it down in the middle first, then the inner corner, and then the outer corner. That one went on really well. I think because I didn't try to use the applicator. That applicator, it's just not for me. Maybe if you're a beginner, it might help you. But for me, I'm so used to using tweezers, I just need to use tweezers. All right, so the lashes are on. I actually really like them a lot. These are really pretty. I'm not putting any mascara on my lower lashes because of my eye issue, but we actually have one more product in the box. So I'm not sure how to pronounce this. It's either Kinder or Kinder highlighter palette, and this retails for $15 and it has 4 highlights in it. And this is what the powders look like. I definitely think this one down here is more my style today. They look very pretty on camera, but I think they're a little bit more on the dry side than what I prefer lately. I'm kind of shifting into creams and liquids, but I do think it might be pretty on the face. And I like that there's a mirror in here too. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply the bottom left corner. Picking this up with a rose gold highlighter brush from Sigma. And I'm gonna go ahead and highlight like I normally would. That's actually very pretty. It's a very natural looking glow. I think you could build it up, but I'm gonna leave it a little bit natural. This is a really pretty kind of rosy toned shade. I'm gonna take a little bit and go down the bridge of my nose. I actually love the color of this on my skin tone right now. I love when that happens in Boxycharm, like the one product I don't recognize the brand ends up being really nice. So that is everything out of my base Boxycharm for April. I was really, really impressed this month. Like I liked everything in here, minus the lash applicator because that just didn't work for me. But aside from that, I'm very, very happy with this box. Now this box had a value of $158, which is really incredible for a $25 box. I'm super impressed with the Touch in Sol and Farmacy products being included. I feel like those are super high-end products that I would buy on my own regularly for for the full price, so you're getting an amazing value this month. I'm feeling really good about the contents of this box too. Let me check the eyeshadow quick. Yep, we have no creasing. It's nice and matte, no creasing. I think I would actually use that regularly. I like the taupe color too. It's something different for me. I'm super impressed, you guys, and very happy with the April box. Now, as always, my favorite part of doing these videos is asking you what you got in your box, because the variations are always different. I do receive mine from Boxycharm, so mine, I don't have a choice or options with my products. So you guys definitely let me know what kind of variation you got this month. Let me know if you got different shades, different products. I love hearing that in the comments. If you are new to Boxycharm, I will leave a link down below if you guys want to sign up. I do get a small commission if you shop through my link, and I will leave more details down below if you guys are interested. So I hope to see you guys in my next unboxing. I'm very excited to see what the spring and summer boxes are all about. This was a good one, so I have really high hopes for next month. Don't forget to hit subscribe if you guys are new here, and hit that bell if you want to be notified of my uploads, and hopefully I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye guys.